My dear aspiring investors, welcome back to Worker to Trader Journey, where we're about to explore a path to building wealth even when starting with minimal savings. Legendary investor Warren Buffett, now a billionaire, began with humble beginnings, saving spare change from a paper route to fund his initial share purchases. Today, we'll uncover 3 of Buffett's timeless techniques that could guide you towards financial success. Our journey begins with the first technique: adopting a long-term approach to wealth building. Unlike traders, Buffett is an investor who believes in holding onto stocks for the long haul. Buffett's preferred timeline for holding stocks is forever. This patient strategy has seen him hold shares in iconic companies like American Express and Coca-Cola for decades. By aligning your investments with solid businesses and staying invested through market fluctuations, you have the potential to see your wealth grow over time. 2. Stick to proven businesses. Technique number 2 highlights the importance of investing in established, proven businesses rather than chasing risky bets. Buffett's wisdom is grounded in his emphasis on risk management. He selects well-known, stable businesses that have withstood the test of time. Remember, the first rule of investing, as he says, is not to lose money. Focusing on managing risks can lead to more consistent and sustainable wealth accumulation. 3. Circle of competence. Buffett's third technique involves staying within his circle of competence. Let's uncover what this means for us as budding investors. Buffett only invests in industries and businesses he understands deeply. He stresses that the size of your circle of competence isn't as important as knowing its boundaries. Just as Buffett's success comes from staying within his, we should invest in businesses we understand well. This approach helps us make informed decisions and avoid speculation. As we navigate the challenging times ahead, these techniques from Warren Buffett provide a roadmap to navigate the investment landscape. While uncertainties like inflation and geopolitical tensions loom, Buffett's principles can help us make confident investment choices. Remember, building wealth isn't about the amount you start with. It's about the strategies you employ. By investing for the long term, choosing proven businesses, and staying within your circle of competence, you're setting a solid foundation for your financial future. As we venture forward, the world of investing offers endless opportunities, even for those starting with zero savings. Implementing these techniques could set you on a transformative path towards financial empowerment. If you're eager to learn more and uncover valuable insights that can shape your investment journey, stay tuned for more from our Worker to Trader journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to access our upcoming videos. Together, we're embracing the journey from zero savings to financial freedom. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.